Improve English speaking practice. Going to the technician. I'm having a bit of trouble. What is the problem? What is the problem? My laptop doesn't work. My laptop doesn't work. What seems to be the issue? What seems to be the issue? It won't connect to the internet. It won't connect to the internet. Was it connecting before? Was it connecting before? Yes, could you help me out? Yes, could you help me out? Of course, let's see what we can do. Of course, let's see what we can do. It is a new laptop. It is a new laptop. When did the problem start? When did the problem start? Just this morning, when I tried to connect. Just this morning, when I tried to connect. All right. Have you checked if the Wi-Fi is working on other devices? All right. Have you checked if the Wi-Fi is working on other devices? Yes, my phone is connected just fine. Yes, my phone is connected just fine. Okay, that's good. It might be an issue with the laptop with settings then. Okay, that's good. It might be an issue with the laptop with settings then. Oh my God. About the settings? Oh my God. About the settings? Let's try restarting the router first, though. Let's try restarting the router first, though. It may be the solution. It may be the solution. Sometimes that fixes these kinds of issues. Sometimes that fixes these kinds of issues. How do I restart the router? How do I restart the router? It's simple. Just unplug the power cord. It's simple. Just unplug the power cord. All right, let me do that. All right, let me do that. And then plug it back in. And then plug it back in. Okay, I will do it now. Okay, I will do it now. Now, give it a moment to boot up, and try connecting your laptop again. Now, give it a moment to boot up, and try connecting your laptop again. It looks like it's working now. It looks like it's working now. Sounds good. I hope it works. Sounds good. I hope it works. Thank you so much. No problem at all. No problem at all. You are a good technician. You are a good technician. I'm glad it was an easy fix. I'm glad it was an easy fix. Anyway, I'm so happy for you. If it happens again, restarting the router is always a good first step. If it happens again, restarting the router is always a good first step. I will keep that in mind. You are a lifesaver. And if you need any help, I'd be happy to share what I know. And if you need any help, I'd be happy to share what I know. That would be amazing. Let's set up a time to go over some editing techniques then. Let's set up a time to go over some editing techniques then. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks again. Thanks again. Bye. Let's try to read the words. Repeat after me. Laptop. Laptop. Fix. Fix. Plug. Plug. Unplug. Unplug. Internet. Internet. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Phone. Phone. Devices. Devices. Restart. Restart. Router. Router. Technician. Technician. Connecting. Connecting. Wait. Wait. Again. Again. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share. And also do your comment if you have any question.